My name's Marcus. I'm a quality inspector in the inspection lab at Norton. My role as an inspector in Norton Motorcycles is to ensure part level conformity for both external and internally manufactured components.
Being within the quality department and the inspection lab, every piece of material that ends up on a Norton bike has to pass through us and has to be validated by us. So I do feel we play quite an important pivotal role within the business, and we are the last word in quality, and we are there to ensure that these bikes are the best products we can possibly get to the customer. And I personally find that extremely rewarding, and I do see my role as quite an important one. The motivation for me at Norton is what I've experienced thus far, which is day in, day out improvements. Every day things are getting better, processes are improving, and the manufacturing side of the business is becoming more cohesive with the quality department, and we're just going from strength to strength every single day. And when you're seeing that as a product of your own hard work and your team's hard work, it makes it an incredibly easy place to come.